All I need is some like chocolate chips, and my mint will be a minty chocolate chippy. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel, Homeschool Honey. In today's video, we are unboxing the Pusheen subscription box. And this is the spring of 2021 Pusheen subscription box. This is our first one. And as you can see, the first box is relax. So we are definitely gonna relax and enjoy this one. These Pusheen subscription boxes come out 4 times a year, and depending on which subscription plan you pay for, you can get them for $43.95 if you pay month to month or quarter to quarter, or $40, $39.95 if you pay for the year up front. So this is the box. 40 bucks is a great deal. It's such a cute box. This one, it's got his little tail on the back, or her little tail on the back. It's made by Culture Fly, you can see there. And there's Pusheen's little face, totally chilling. Totally chillaxing, man. And then there on the bottom are Pusheen's feet. You can also, when you sign up for the box, you can customize it for sizes. So this is the extra small to medium. That way my kids could wear the treasures within. All right, so let's open this up and see what we've got. Inside Pusheen, the box. The first item that we've got here looks like a raincoat. So I'm going to open this Pusheen raincoat up and we're going to take a closer look at it. Here it is. It's a good size. It's definitely a full body raincoat. It's got these buttons to snap it closed. It's got pockets. It also has a hood, as you would hope a raincoat would. And then some ties here to tighten it up. I'll have to get a picture of me wearing the Pusheen raincoat to insert into the video. But as you can see, it's got all of these different colored Pusheens floating around on the plastic. Then, so here we've got the spoiler, the little card. Oh, it's bent a little bit, no. And it says relax, so cute. I don't want to do the spoiler. It's all the cute stuff that's in the box. So there's our card. Set that over there. It also comes with a booklet that tells you some of the other subscription boxes that are offered by Culture Fly, depending on if you're into that. Oh, look what's next. Look at it. It's all, and a lot of these things are that green color that kind of match the box. So next up, we've got a baseball hat. Oh, we got a loose thread there. And on the front of the hat, we've got this embroidered patch. And it's a sweet little Pusheen. And it says, breathe. Ah, I love it. This hat has got a slide type closure to make it tighter or looser. So cool. Pusheen the hat. Alright, Pusheen hat, you're coming over here. No, maybe I'm going to set you over here. There we go. Next up in the box is an umbrella. So I'm going to have to get a picture of me with the umbrella and the raincoat, because I can't open the umbrella inside. That's supposed to be bad luck, isn't it? But I can unsnap it. So let's take a peek. You come over there. And it's a clear umbrella with Pusheen, little blue Pusheens all around the edges. How do you say it? Pusheen or Pusheen? Phonetically, how are we saying this? All right, so we've got this sweet Pusheen. It's just in time for spring, right? April showers bring May flowers. And what do May flowers bring? Pilgrims. All right, around and around and around we go. We're going to snap it. And I'm going to insert a picture of our umbrella. and our raincoat that we got from our Pusheen box. And it has a little slip cover with all the little Pusheen on it. The colorful, they look like kind of watercolory, don't they? Next in the box, we've got this floor mat, it says. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. All right, here is the floor mat. Again, it's got that sort of light watercolor design on it, which is super cute. Pusheen, winking. And then over here says, taking it easy. So that's a nice little floor mat. It does look like it could be used as a bathroom mat because it is rubberized on the bottom. But I wouldn't want to mess it up. So maybe in the kitchen? In the bedroom? Where would you put it? Would you go ahead and put it in the bathroom? I don't know. Taking it easy. Oh, I love it. I love it. All right, I'm gonna set that there. I can't have it open or else it's gonna knock everything down. Maybe I can open it partly down here, halfway. There we go. For our Pusheen box. The next thing in our Pusheen box is this compact mirror. Let's open this one up. Oh my goodness, look at it. It's so cute. I'm gonna set it right there. We'll zoom in on it. So here's the Pusheen compact mirror. Pusheen's totally relaxed, chilling out, all watercolory. But look, it opens like this. It swivels. So we've got a mirror on one side. Then on the other side, you've got the magnifying mirror. So you can really get in there and look at those pores, peeps. But look, Pusheen's not even worried about pores. No way, man. Pusheen is totally chillaxed. The next thing, I couldn't decide if we should wait on this one or go ahead, is the Pusheen vinyl. And this the Pusheen vinyl comes in each box, so there's going to be a collectible vinyl in each one. So this season's vinyl is Pusheen with an umbrella. I'm going to take it out so we can look at it closer. All right, there she is. Again, totally chilling with her clear umbrella. I can't wait to try my umbrella out. Look, that sweet minty green that's just saying, I'm super chill. All I need is some like chocolate chips, and my mint will be a minty chocolate chippy. Sounds delish. Alright, so Pusheen with her umbrella can come sit over there. The next item in the box is this metal, it says candle holder. Let's take it out and get a closer look at it. Oh my goodness, look at how sweet it is. Can I get it up closer? We're out of the light. But look, it is this little metal candle holder with Pusheen right in the front with her little paws poking over. You know what? If you didn't want to use this as a candle holder, you could use this as a little like trinket tray because it would totally hold rings or bracelets or whatever. Even a little candy dish just for a few little treats for Pusheen. That's adorable. All right, you get to come sit on your tray over there. The next thing we've got is this. It says relax, and it is a tissue box cover. Let me get a tissue box. We're going to put this on a tissue box. Hold up. I got it. Look. It says relax. And we have a tissue box with our little tissues poking out. Oh, that is so sweet. It's got this little canvas. I think my tissue box, I can pull it down a little bit more on the box to hide the box a bit more. But how cute is this? Relax. I mean, you could totally get your room all spa'd out with all the Pusheen relax stuff. Then, last thing in our box are these Pusheen bookmarks. Let me open them up so we can get a better look. The first one is Pusheen and the Moon. And the next one is Pusheen kind of peeking out over this landscape, again in that watercolor style, and then that's how you hook it onto the book. How cute! Oh, Pusheen, and you're just so chill. I mean, just looking at her chill makes me feel super chill. What about you? Okay, so let me know. Where are you gonna go? Oh, we got such cute stuff this time. Let me get all of our cute little things together over here so you can see everything. Adorableness! I can't decide what my favorite thing is. I really like the tissue cover, but then the trinket tray or the candle holder is really, really sweet as well. Let me know down in the comment section, what's your favorite thing in this Pusheen box? Thanks so much for watching, y'all. I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.